Welcome to our Liechtenstein Financial Services podcast. In the Liechtenstein Financial Services podcast, we will explore the legal, regulatory, operation and tax perspectives of banks, funds, asset managers and other participants in the Liechtenstein Financial Center, a production of PwC Liechtenstein. Today we are discussing about the revolution of Client Lifecycle Management (CLM) with AI-driven banking innovations. I'm Ilario Monti, your host, with 11 years of experience at PwC, specializing in auditing and consulting for banks and other financial service institutions. With this podcast, we aim to provide an overview of how AI is transforming CLM in banking, focusing on improving efficiency, compliance, and customer experience. Joining us today is Alexander Schultz-Wirth, partner at PwC. Welcome, Alexander.
Thank you, Ilario. It's great to be here and talk about AI-driven banking innovations.
Alexander, can you tell us a bit about yourself and your connection to Liechtenstein?
Yeah, happy to do so. I'm a partner at PwC Switzerland. I'm leading the customer transformation practice for financial services firms. Actually, I started my career as a client advisor in wealth management. I did that for 10 years, serving international clients, and then I moved to consulting, where I spent the last 25 years. So typically, I'm helping banks also in Liechtenstein to manage their digital transformation. So my area of expertise includes system implementations in the areas of CRM and marketing, but I've also successfully managed projects ranging from developing business strategies and organizational change down to the technical implementation of projects.
Thank you, Alexander. Let's start with a discussion about AI-driven banking innovations. What are the main challenges banks face in CLM today?
Traditionally, CLM processes are very slow and fragmented. On average, it takes banks roughly 24 days to complete customer acquisition. So it's not surprisingly that 89% of customers report a negative experience with client onboarding. But it also leads for the banks to higher operational costs and compliance risk. So banks have faced fines and reputational damages due to these inefficiencies and regulatory failures in the past.
That's really interesting, especially the statistic that 89% of customers report a negative KYC experience. How does AI offer a solution to these challenges?
I think AI can streamline and automate many of the time-consuming manual processes in CLM. It allows for the fast analysis of large data sets, it enabling faster and more efficient customer onboarding. But AI-driven systems can significantly also reduce the time required for tasks like identity verification or document processing. So overall, I believe it can cutting the onboarding time by at least 50%. AI also enhances compliance monitoring, as mentioned before, by detecting anomalies and ensuring that all transactions are in line with the bank's KYC and anti-money laundering and any other sanctions regulations.
Thank you, Alexander. Can you tell us something about the role AI plays in increasing regulatory compliance in banking?
Yes, sure. Regulators issued 4.6 billion in AML enforcement actions in 2024. This is a huge amount. So AI plays a crucial role in improving compliance, especially in areas like KYC and AML. Machine learning models can, for example, continuously monitor transactions in real time and spot any suspicious activity or inconsistencies in customer profiles. This proactive approach helps the bank meet regulatory requirements more effectively, but overall it reduces the compliance costs and minimizes the risk of penalties or damage the bank's reputation.
Great, that sounds like a major advantage, especially given how strict regulatory requirements are today. How can AI drive personalized customer experiences in the banking sector?
Absolutely. I think it is a great advantage. So let me give you 3 examples. First, AI can analyze customer data to gain insights into their preferences and needs. So allowing the banks to tailor products and services to each individual needs. Secondly, the AI algorithm can also recommend personalized banking products or investment opportunities based on the customer's financial goals and history. And third, AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants provide a 24/7 personalized customer support, answering queries, providing information, and assisting you with any kind of transaction. So this personalization not only enhances the customer experience, but also fosters stronger long-term relationships and ultimately boosts the customer loyalty and hopefully increase the share of wallet.
Thank you for the insights on this topic, Alexander. Another question. What are the key considerations for banks when implementing AI in their CLM processes?
First and foremost, I think bank needs to adopt a holistic approach. Implementing AI-driven CLM is much more than just integrating cutting-edge technology. It requires a comprehensive redesign of your processes and the operational model to ensure they align seamlessly with the new AI tools. This means carefully selecting the right technology that benefits you as a bank, but also your customers, and then creating a balanced ecosystem of efficiency and personalization. Moreover, handling customer data securely and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations is crucial. I think this is needless to mention. Banks must implement robust security measures and encryption protocols to safeguard sensitive information, maintaining the trust and the integrity of their own operation, but also obviously of their clients. And another vital aspect is training employees on how to work effectively with AI systems. It's essential for banks to invest in training programs that enable their workforce to integrate AI into existing processes smoothly. Change management strategies will play a pivotal role helping employees adapt to these new ways of working with AI technology.
Last question, Alexander. What opportunities does the Finance Forum in May in Vaduz in Liechtenstein offer?
I think the Liechtenstein Finance Forum is the event where all the relevant financial services professionals from the Ländle come together. It offers opportunities for networking with other industry professionals. You can gaining insights from expert speakers. You can discussing key trends and challenges in the finance sector and exploring obviously also potential collaborations and partnerships. So attendees can also participate in many panel discussions, in workshops and presentations to enhance their knowledge and stay updated on the last developments in the financial industry. So I think it is the event where you have to attend.
Thank you, Alexander, for this insightful discussion on the role of AI revolutionizing client lifecycle management within the banking sector. It's clear that AI is reshaping the future of CLM in banking. Banks that leverage AI will lead the way in creating innovative, seamless experiences for their clients.
Thank you, Ilario, for having me.
From this basis, we will dive into new topics such as legal, regulatory, or other topics in future episodes. So stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. In the meantime, contact us for a personal exchange how Liechtenstein can fit into your agenda.